All right, today we are diving into something incredibly practical, how you can actually use AI to start building a significant side income and, get this, without needing to know a single line of code.
So let me just ask you this, straight up. What would an extra $2,500 a month, every single month, do for you? I mean, really think about it. What would that change?
Now, that number you're looking at, that's not some fantasy number. It's not a maybe one day dream. It's a very, very real figure that people are hitting right now just by plugging into what AI can do.
And you know, the best part is, this isn't just for the tech wizards out there. We're talking about real opportunities that don't require you to become a programmer or, build some complicated company from the ground up. This stuff is for everyone.
That's because, and I really believe this, AI is the biggest money-making revolution since the internet completely changed the world. And just like those early days of the web, the people who jump in now, they have a huge, huge advantage. So that's what this explainer is all about. We're going to give you a practical roadmap with 5 distinct pathways to start earning.
Okay, let's get right into it. Pathway number 1, becoming an AI-powered content creator. This is a game changer because AI does something like 80% of the heavy lifting for you. It turns what used to take days of work into a super streamlined process.
Look at this. This is basically your entire creator toolkit. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm incredible scripts and ideas. Then you feed a long video into a tool like Opus Clip and boom, it spits out viral-ready short clips automatically. Runway can add mind-blowing effects, while Leonardo or Canva handle all your custom art and thumbnails. You package all of this up as a service for people like business coaches or influencers who are desperate for content but have absolutely no time.
And the math on this is, well, it's just beautiful. You're not trying to find hundreds of customers here. Landing just 5 clients at a pretty standard rate of $500 a month gets you directly to that $2,500 goal. It's that straightforward.
Now, the absolute secret to making this work fast is to specialize. Don't try to be the content person for everybody. No. Pick one group. Say real estate agents, or maybe personal trainers. You'll learn their language, you'll become an expert in their world, and believe me, finding those first 5 clients becomes so much easier.
Okay, on to our second pathway. This one taps into something that every single business on the planet wants more of: time and money. Here, you become an AI automation freelancer.
Your job is basically to be a problem solver. You find the boring, repetitive, soul-crushing tasks in a business, and you use AI to make them disappear. So, instead of someone spending hours manually sending follow-up emails, you build a smart, automated sequence that just does it. You're not really selling AI. You're selling them back their time, and that is incredibly valuable.
And here's the kicker. The tools for this are mostly drag and drop. Seriously, you don't need to be a coder. You could genuinely learn the basics of a tool like Zapier or Make over a weekend just by watching some tutorials. You could set up a workflow that, say, automatically takes a new lead from a website, puts them in a spreadsheet, and sends them a personalized welcome email, all in an instant.
And because this work saves businesses so much time and money, you can charge a premium. These aren't little $20 gigs. We're talking about landing just 1 or 2 automation projects a month for $500 to $1,000 each, and you're right at or even past your income goal.
All right, this next pathway is for all you creative folks out there. It's about taking those amazing ideas in your head and using AI to turn them into stunning visuals that people will actually pay for. Your creativity gets supercharged. And the plan to get started is so simple. First, you just pick one tool, like Midjourney, and get really, really good at it. Second, you bundle your skills into clear packages, things like custom YouTube thumbnails or AI-generated art for t-shirts. And third, you go sell where people are already shopping, on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even just through Instagram.
But here is the real pro tip. Think in bundles. Don't sell one-off designs for $15. No way. Instead, you offer a package. 10 professionally designed thumbnails for $150. The client gets more value. You get a much bigger sale. And because AI is so fast, it's still wildly profitable for you.
Now let's talk about building assets. Pathway 4 is all about creating something one time that can then pay you again and again and again. I'm talking about an AI-powered course where you just teach other people what you're learning. And let me be perfectly clear about this. You do not need to be the world's #1 expert on AI. You just have to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching. If you've spent a week learning how to use AI to write great social media posts, guess what? You can create a course on that. That's all it takes.
And look at how achievable the numbers are. You sell 100 copies of a simple $25 course, or just 50 copies of a $50 one, and you've hit your target. And once that course is made, it's a digital asset that can make money for you while you sleep.
Okay, our final pathway is honestly one of the smartest long-term plays you can make. It's all about earning commissions just by recommending the AI tools you're already using and genuinely like. Pretty much every major AI tool out there, from writing tools like Jasper to video editors like Descript, has what's called an affiliate program. They give you a special link, and when someone clicks that link and signs up, you get a piece of the sale. It is that simple.
But the most important thing to understand here is that this isn't about being a pushy salesperson. It's about being a helpful teacher. When you create a genuinely useful tutorial that shows people how a tool can solve a problem for them, the affiliate income just happens. It follows naturally from the value you're providing.
And this is where it all comes together. The most powerful strategy isn't to pick just one of these pathways. It's to stack them. Imagine this. You start by creating content for a client. Then, you see a boring task they're doing, and you offer to build an automation for them. After that, you create a little mini course teaching that exact skill. And inside that course, you put your affiliate links for the tools you used. See how that works? Each step builds on the last, creating a whole ecosystem of income.
So as we wrap up here, it's pretty clear the opportunity is just massive. The question really isn't, can AI make you money anymore? The answer to that is a resounding absolute yes. The real question is something different.
Will you be one of the people who actually takes action on this now, while we're still at the very beginning of this revolution? Or are you going to wait on the sidelines until everybody else has already figured it out? The choice is yours.